Stop manually copying your data like this in Excel. Do this instead. Start by typing the VStack function. Then select the first set of data you want to combine, followed by a comma, and then select the second set of data. Hit Enter, and your data will be stacked vertically. To align data next to each other, type the hstack function. Then select the first set of data, followed by a comma, and then select the second set of data. Hit Enter, and your data will appear aligned in one row. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Want to add checkboxes to your Excel sheet like this? Here's how. Go to the Developer tab, click Insert, and select the checkbox icon, then place the checkbox in a cell. Next, right-click the checkbox, click Edit Text, and delete the text so only the box remains. Now, drag the fill handle down to duplicate your checkboxes, as needed. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Want to add a picture inside a comment in Excel? Like this. Let's start. Right-click on the cell and click Insert Comment, delete name, go to Border and right-click and Format Comment. Go to the Colors and Lines tab and click the Fill drop-down and select Fill Effects. Choose Picture and select Picture from Computer. Done. Your picture is now inside the comment. Try it now and make your Excel sheets more interactive. Like and follow for more Excel tips. Don't manually format the data like a school days. Instead, do this. Click on the data cell and press Alt-O-A and select your table design and hit OK. That's it. Make interactive table using this method. Stop typing out dates one by one. Here's a faster way. First, enter just one date in the first cell. Now, right-click on the fill handle, drag it down, and let go. You'll see multiple options to choose from. For this example, I'm going to click Fill Weekdays. This lets you quickly fill in dates, without typing them manually. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Here are 3 Excel shortcuts to organize your data faster. First, click on a cell and press Ctrl:; to insert today's date. Next, to add borders around your selection, press Ctrl+Shift and ampersand. And lastly, just hit Shift F2 if you need to leave a quick note in your cell. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Are you manually finding the highest, lowest, and average values in Excel like this? Here's how to speed things up. First, highlight the column with your numbers. Then, on the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to AutoSum. From there, select Max to instantly get the highest value. Next, do the same, but choose Min to find the lowest value. And finally, pick Average to calculate the average. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Stop summing your data like this. Here's a better way. Start by typing the SUMIF function into an empty cell. Then, select your range where Excel will look for the match, then a comma. Next, enter the criteria you want to sum. You can type it directly in quotes, like in this example where I'll use apples. Or reference an empty cell where you can later type the item name you want to sum, then a comma. After that, select the range containing the values to add, hit Enter, and you're done. Now, just change that empty cell to any item to get the sum of your data. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Want to group dates into weeks starting from day 1? Here's a simple trick. Extracts the day from the date. Divides by 7 to form weeks. Rounds up to get the week number. Now you can categorize dates into weeks easily. Like and follow for more Excel hacks. Here are 2 copy and paste shortcuts in Excel to remember. First, to paste values only, copy your data using Ctrl+C. Click a cell, then press Ctrl+Shift+V. This pastes just the raw data. Now with the same data still copied, click another cell, press Ctrl+Alt+V, and select Transpose. It's perfect for quickly flipping your data layout, from rows to columns. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Stop copying and pasting columns like this. Here's a faster way. Imagine you have a big data set, but you only need a few columns. Instead of manually selecting, type Choose Cols. Add your data range, then a comma followed by the columns you need, like 2, 4, and 7, and hit Enter. Plus, it updates dynamically. Any changes in the original data are automatically reflected. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. You need a quick way to find data in Excel? Here's how to do it. Start by typing the XLOOKUP function. Select the value you want to find, then add a comma. Next, choose the search range, add another comma, and select the result range. Press Enter and you're done. XLOOKUP works in any direction, like in this example, where the product code retrieves both the item name on the left and customer ID on the right. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Are you tired of manually removing parts of your text in Excel? Here's a faster way. First, type an equal sign and enter the text before function. Then click the cell containing the text you want to modify, followed by a comma, and type your delimiter inside 2 quotation marks. This is the character that separates what you want to keep from what you want to remove, like a hyphen. Hit Enter and Excel will instantly extract everything before the delimiter. Copy it down and you're done. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Try these 3 drag and drop tricks to level up your Excel skills. First, to move a column, select the entire column, hold Shift, and drag and drop it to where you want it. Second, to duplicate rows, select a few rows, hold Ctrl, and drag and drop them to copy the data. Lastly, to duplicate a tab, hold Ctrl, and drag and drop the tab to instantly create a duplicate. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Stop entering your data sheet by sheet. Here's a quick way to do it. First, right-click any sheet tab and select all sheets. This will group them together. Next, type your data in the active sheet. For example, I'm adding my monthly expenses here. Once you type it in one sheet, all the grouped sheets will now have the same entries. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Here's how to create a chart in seconds with these 2 Excel shortcuts. First, highlight the data you want in your chart, then press Alt F1. A chart will instantly appear in your sheet. Next, if you want to add more data to your chart, highlight the additional column. Press Ctrl C, click the chart, and then press Ctrl V. The chart updates automatically. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips. Here's an interactive filter you can use in Excel. First, select your data by pressing Ctrl A, and convert it to a table by pressing Ctrl T, if it's not already in table format. Then go to Insert and click Slicer, and choose the slicers you want. Now, arrange your slicers, and click any of the buttons to filter your data. If you want to reset your filters, just click the Clear Filter button. Make sure to follow for more Excel tips.